Let's learn Ghost Train. It's choreographed by Kathy Hunyadi. It is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner straight rhythm with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Ghost Train. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to stomp our right foot forward. We're now going to fan our right foot to the right, center, and then to the right, putting weight onto your right foot. We're now going to stomp our left foot forward. You're going to fan your left foot to the left, center to the left, putting weight onto your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, stomping your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I suggest when you do the stomp, you have slightly bent knees as you do the fans. Section 2, we're going to do 2 jazz box quarter turns. So we're going to cross our right over our left, step back with your left, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot, and then step forward with your left. You're now facing 3 o'clock. Cross your right over your left, step back with your left, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot, and then step forward with your left, and you'll be facing 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, your 2 jazz box quarter turns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to weave to the left. So you're going to cross your right over your left, step your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side, cross your right over your left, step your left foot to the left side. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 9 o'clock, and then step forward with your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. You can either walk and hold or stomp and hold. I personally like to stomp, but you can choose what you would like to do. So we're going to stomp or step that right foot forward and hold. You're now going to stomp or step your left foot forward and hold. Now you can either do 4 stomps forward or 4 walks forward. That choice is yours, but you're stomping or stepping right, left, and that is the whole dance. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're stomping or stepping with your right, and hold. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your stomp and fan. So it's stomp, fan, weights right, stomp, fan, weights left. Jazz box, quarter turn, jazz box, quarter turn, weave, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, quarter, step, stomp, hold, stomp, stomp, stomp. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with that stomp and fan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now there is 2 songs listed on the step sheet. There is the original one, which is Ghost Train. A lot of dancers like to do it to the Zorba's dance instead. So whichever one you choose, they're both great tracks. So you want to make sure that you know which one your place dances to. When you do it to the Zorba, a part of it is going to slow down, and it's going to be your weave into your stomps. So you're going to come out of those jazz boxes really quick, and then you want to make sure that you're going cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, quarter, step, right? So you want to make sure that you slow down that vine, and your stomp and holds are also going to feel slower. That very next wall, it starts to speed up, but it's still going to be slow, and through the 32 counts, the dance is going to go back up to the tempo it was when we started. So you just want to make sure that you're mindful that that part does happen in the dance when you're using the Zorba's dance song. So now let's go around. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our stomp and fan. Stomp, fan, fan, weights right. Stomp, fan, fan, weights left. Jazz box, quarter turn. Jazz box, quarter turn. Weave to the left, cross, side behind, side, cross, side, quarter step, stomp, hold, stomp, 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 and fan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, fan, fan, weights right. Stomp, fan, fan, weights left. Jazz box, quarter turn. Jazz box, quarter turn. Weave to the left, cross, side behind, side, cross, side, quarter step, stomp, hold, stomp, 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 stomp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to both song rear facing demos so that you can practice using whichever song you would like so that you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Ghost Train. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.